Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down, choose Location section, and then manage it thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!